As usual, I'm going to prep my skin. I'm going to prep with this Laneige Water Bank Hydro Essence. This drenches and preps skin with hydrating mineral strength and help me to make my makeup more flawless and good base for the makeup I'm going to do. Next I'm going to apply is primer that creates barrier between my skin and makeup, and for this I'm going to use this NY Bay primer that I received as a sample, and I really want to try it out, and I really get impressed with this product, and it really brighten up my face, and the foundation application over it gives so smooth blendability, and I'm looking forward to purchase it out. Giving quick brush to my eyebrow in its natural own direction and filling it up with a ash brown eyeshadow with a flat angular brush. After filling out my eyebrow, I'm going to conceal my eyelid with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in shade Almond to give a good base for my eye makeup. Now taking cold pencil from Wet n Wild in shade Baby's Got Black, and I'm going to line my eyelid with this only on my lower portion of my eyelid. Approx 2 line I'm going to create, and then smudging it out with a grayish tone, a lighter tone of black shade with a small fluffy brush. Make sure to saturate the color of black intensity only on your center of eyelid. Don't bring further on your inner corner or outer V of your eyelid. Next, I'm going to pick that brown color from this palette and apply it above my black shadow near to my contour area, and blend both the black and brown shadow in such a way that there shouldn't be any differentiation between both the colors. Now it's time to blend out or extend out that shadow towards my eyebrow, and also I'm going to smoke it out towards my inner corner of eyelid, and also applying it toward my inner part of nose as well, and diffusing that color with the brow. After that I'm going to reapply that cold pencil as an eyeliner, creating small flick wing. Further also applying that coal on my lower waterline as well, and smudging that brown shadow at my lower lash line. And now it's time for good coat of mascara, and the mascara is from Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Jasmine wore tapered lashes for her look, so I'm going to use this Nykaa Turn Up Drama lashes that is taper in shape. Meanwhile, my glue is drying. I'm going to color correct my face with my Glam 21 orange color corrector. Only spot correcting I am the places where I need to be corrected and cover it up. I like to blend this color corrector with my finger because the coverage of this concealer or corrector is not good. So I'm going to blend it out with my finger to get more coverage. I'm extending my wing a little bit because it get hidden under the eyelashes, so I'm going to extend it out. And for foundation, one of my favorite drugstore foundation, that is L'Oreal Infallible. This gives seamless finish to my skin and give luminous glow as well. And for this look, this is the perfect foundation. I want to get more coverage, so I'm using flat kabuki brush from PAC, and see how the foundation blends so seamless after applying that primer, and the foundation as well give subtle luminous glow. I just love the finish of it. As you guys know, I like to apply foundation with my fingers, spreading it out. Then I like to blend it out with flat brush or a blender to get more flawless finish airbrush look without applying too much foundation, and this will prevent my makeup to get cakey. And this technique ensure you less product application and less product wastage. Going back with the same concealer from L'Oreal, I'm going to apply it over my face to brighten it up. For blending concealer under my eye, I'm going to blend it from outer towards my inner part of eye, so that the concealer towards my cheek should be in less in quantity and more coverage toward my eye. And spreading that concealer toward my nose slope so that it camouflage like that it is a part of my cheek, not on my nose, so that my nose appears slim. And also spreading that concealer towards my nose slope so that it camouflages my nose as a part of my face, not the part of my nose, so that my nose appears a bit slim and sharp. For setting my concealer, I'm going to use this PAC translucent powder in shade 04, just giving a quick brush with a brush, and also applying that loose powder to my T-zone area as it secretes more oil and sweat. So to prevent it out, I'm going to apply that loose powder whole of my T-zone. For contouring, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution cream contour, and this is a bit light too for my skin, but I like the texture of it and it gives a subtle glow.